5 years ago we met the first time. First day at grammar school of mine. Oh, she sat there with a mom by her side, with the big shining eyes of a child. And so the years went by. She was always of comfort and friendly, just right. Even now I do not know much about her. Since then we had little relation to each other. But then came one of those moments that are too hard to take day to day. She passed away, and I wonder, we'll be 14 till the break of dawn. We will celebrate every summer morn. We are going to make plans our lives will be, but why can't she? Couldn't even write her name right, but in spite of everything it hits me inside anyway. For a moment it took my breath